Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of power systems. Today, we're going to explore a critical aspect of power grid operation, maintaining grid stability through primary and secondary control actions. In power systems, ensuring the stability of the grid is of utmost importance. After a disturbance or load change, it is crucial to restore the system frequency to its desired value. This is where the primary control mechanism, known as free governor action, comes into play. But what happens when the free governor action alone cannot bring the system frequency back to the desired level? Well, that's when the secondary control mechanism, called supplementary governor action, takes the stage. After a load increase or disturbance, the power system settles to a lower common frequency, resulting in a frequency error. This error indicates that the system frequency is not equal to the desired value. To rectify this issue and restore the system frequency, an additional control mechanism is necessary, the secondary control. This process of frequency restoration is known as automatic generation control or AGC. Its primary objective is to regulate the frequency to a specific desired value. The System Control Center receives an area control error, ACE, signal, generated by the frequency deviation, and adjusts the load set point of all units in the system to restore the nominal frequency. In a multi-area power system, the exchange of power between these areas depends on the location of the load and the frequency deviation. This is where the territory control action comes into play. The system operator utilizes the territory control action to set the power exchange after load variations. By adjusting the active power exchange between two or more connected power system areas, the territory frequency controller helps restore balance. It's worth mentioning that wind and solar power, without battery storage, are considered must-take power sources. This means they do not contribute to the primary frequency adjustment. In conclusion, maintaining the stability of the power grid is crucial for its reliable operation. While the primary control mechanism, known as free governor action, restores power balance after a disturbance, it may not bring the system frequency to the desired level. Supplementary control mechanisms, such as automatic generation control, AGC, and territory frequency controllers, play a vital role in restoring and regulating the system frequency. By understanding the importance of both primary and secondary control actions, power system operators can effectively manage and regulate the frequency of the system, ensuring the smooth functioning of the grid and reliable power supply. Thank you for watching our video on understanding the supplementary governor's action. We hope you found this information insightful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Stay tuned for our next video. Crafted with dedication by Babak Nia to bring you valuable insights and knowledge.